channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 lip balms that are under ₹100. They are not only affordable but they are really good. And don't worry, I'm not going to include this Vaseline jelly in this video, and make sure you watch this video till the end. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll upload a new video. Make sure you also follow me on my Instagram, and let's start with the video. The first lip balm that I have with me is my own favorite, and this is from Khadi Natural. This is the Khadi Natural Herbal Lip Balm, and this is the kiwi fruit one. First of all, let us take some time and just admire on how cute the packaging is and how luxury the packaging looks. I really like this lip balm. It is so nice. This has the goodness of beeswax and honey in it. It is so good. It is so hydrating, stays on your lips for a very long time, and this is just priced at ₹99, and you're getting a product of 5 grams. So such a nice lip balm. This comes in this kind of cardboard box, and this is how the box looks. I'm going to read out the ingredients over here. This has shea butter, this also has cocoa butter, sunflower oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, madhu, that is honey. This has lychee extract. This also has carrot seed oil, also has aloe vera extract, kiwi fruit extract, apricot oil, grape seed oil, apple fruit extract, and this all ingredients are in this little tub. That means this has so much of goodness in it. I really like the idea that this has this kind of shield over here, and you have to open this to apply. I really like the fragrance of this one. I really like it. This is like so, I just want to eat this lip balm up. This is so nice. This is my favorite one among all the 5 that I'll be sharing with you today. So this is the first lip balm that I have with me. The second lip balm that I have with me is from Blue Heaven, and this is the Blue Heaven lip balm. I really like the packaging of this one, and this is the strawberry flavored one. And you have to open it like this, and it is so easy to apply. It is so moisturizing on the lips. My lips just love this. I love the lip balm that has strawberry flavored, and it has shea butter, canola oil, beeswax, hydrogenated castor oil, almond oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. And 80% of this product is made from natural ingredients and freshly plucked fruit aroma. I really like the fragrance. It is so nice. It is so nice to apply. Hydrates, and it's not too liquidy, or shall I say, it is not that hard also, but it is not that creamy, but leaves that like kind of perfect hydration on the lips. I really like this lip balm, and this is the packaging that it comes in, and the packaging looks like this. Now this is an 8 gram of product, and it's priced at ₹85. Really like this. The next lip balm that I have with me is something that I newly discovered, and this is the lip balm from Nivea. This is their Nivea Fruity Lip Balm. This is in the strawberry flavored one, and this is how the lip balm looks. Now I got this from Shoppers Stop, actually not Shoppers Stop, Spencer. I purchased this from Spencer, and this is just priced at ₹45, and the amount you're getting is 10 gram. So I thought just ₹45, why not try? But truly guys, I am loving this lip balm. This is so hydrating. This is so nice. The consistency is quite like the normal Vaseline jelly, but I love the fragrance. It is so fruity. I just want to like press this and put it in my mouth and just eat it up, but I cannot do that, I know, but still I absolutely love the fragrance, and it is so hydrating. I just love this lip balm, and this is the packaging that it came in, and this is how the packaging looks. Really a nice lip balm. If you're looking for something for a lip balm which is under ₹50 and a good one, I think that this is the one you should definitely go for. Just love this lip balm. The next lip balm that I have with me is from Vaseline, and this is the Vaseline Lip Care Cocoa Butter. Now if you guys know that I've shared a haul with you all where I purchased body lotion from Vaseline, which is this cocoa fragrance one. and I absolutely love the fragrance of that one. And when I saw this, that even the lip balm has this fragrance, I had to buy it. I just love the fragrance of this one. I'm someone who loves fragrance in the lip balms. When I got this, I was so hooked to this one. I have used almost half of this product, and I just love this. I think this is gonna be great for winters, but as now monsoon is going on, I am really liking this to apply in the monsoons too. So this is another lip balm that I have been loving. This is priced at ₹45, and you're getting a product of 10 gram, and that is a really good deal. And this is the packaging that it came in, and this is how it looks. Normal packaging, but yeah, really love this lip balm. Last lip balm that I have with me today is this from Wadi Herbal. This is my second purchase, or the second lip balm that I got from Wadi Herbal. Initially, or the first time that I purchased a lip balm from Wadi Herbals, I got this strawberry flavored one, but I wanted to try this one. This is the blueberry lip balm. To be true, I really like the formula and I really like everything about this, but I think the blueberry is not my kind. I'm more like into strawberry and peach and those kind of fragrances. I didn't like this flavor, but anyhow, I'll have to use this, and I'll be using this. It's not that bad, but it's not my type. The fragrance isn't my type, so that's the only reason that I'm not like too excited for this. But still, this is a really good lip balm. It has steam distilled blueberry extract, shea butter, cocoa butter, soy oil, and wheat germ oil. So all the good things in this little bottle. Now this is a 6 gram of product, and you are getting this only at ₹48, which is so good. So guys, these are the 5 lip balms that I love, and these are under ₹100, and all of these lip balms are so good. The only thing is I didn't like the Wadi Herbal one because of the fragrance. However, the formula and everything is so good. I just love lip balm. I'm a person who loves lip balm. I like including lip balms in my morning skincare routine, in my night skincare routine, and even in my afternoon skincare routine. Yes, if you guys don't know, I even do an afternoon skincare routine. So that's how I am, and these are the products that I have with me under ₹100. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.